Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a fridge tour, so let's go to my fridge. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just walking to my fridge now to do your fridge tour. Alright, so here's my fridge. It's just like an ordinary fridge. And yeah, so alright. So first I'm going to start here. Here's an egg tray, but my family doesn't eat eggs, so yeah. And then here, there is a water bottle, my water bottle, Annika's water bottle, some tea, some Lipton tea, cause like this is one of my favorite teas. Here's a close up to it. So yeah, and then also this is one of my favorite drinks, and I like it. So yeah, and then the next thing I have is milk down here. That's Pitas. And then here I have some vitamin C, and that's also Pitas. And then here is our fruit box. That's kind of broken, so I'm not gonna show you it because it has nothing in it. And then we have a yogurt here, like here. So our fridge is really cold, so yeah. And here we have Pitas water bottle. And that's my fridge telling me it's open, kind of. Okay, so right here, it's a clever fridge. So, and then right here we have like some soap that I was doing like an experiment with. So yeah, that's soap. And then they have this really cool tray that you can put in and out. And it's kind of like a freezer tray. So yeah. And then here's my freezer. It's a clever little fridge. And I'll show you what's in the freezer because the freezer's kind of dark. But here's like a close up to my freezer. You can see it. So yeah, it's mostly ice. So like there's ice and stuff. Alright, so this is one thing that's in my freezer. And it's like an ice cube tray. And I was freezing different stuff for my homework experiments. So yeah. We're supposed to write it down in the worksheet. And then I have some water that I'm freezing because it's pretty hot in Thailand. So yeah, this is Annika's bottle. She wanted to copy my idea. Little copycat. She's not. Alright, alright, so that's my fridge tour, and I really hope you like it. And I'll see you next week.